General Enquiries is a useful tab to help with any admin-related queries or issues you may have. This includes fit and sick note requests, test result requests, travel information, cancelling appointments and requests, data subject access requests, updating personal details, one-off medication requests, and requests for an appointment with a nurse or healthcare assistant. Upon opening the General Enquiries tab, you will first be introduced to the section with a brief summary and asked to give consent for your virtual healthcare assistant to share data with your practice. Once consented, you can then choose your query from the list. The Fit or Sick Note Request tab allows you to request a sick or fit note directly through the AskFirst app. You will first be asked a few questions regarding your health and care concern. Once you have answered these questions, a request will then be sent directly to your practice. If a fit or sick note is not applicable at this time, your virtual healthcare assistant may redirect you to other features within the app, like the symptom checker, before sending a fit or sick note request. You'll be able to check or request test results through the AskFirst app with the new NHS app integration. From here, you will then be directed to NHS and asked to log in using NHS Login to view your test results. Travel information. You will first be asked if you would like more information on travel vaccinations. If selected yes, you will be directed to an NHS verified leaflet regarding travel vaccinations, which includes external links to useful sites for further information. The Travel Information tab is filled with useful resources and external websites to help you with health and care advice when travelling. The AskFirst app also features a cancel appointment or request section. If looking to cancel an appointment, you will be directed to the NHS app where once logged in, you can manage your appointments. You'll then be prompted to log in via NHS Login. It is from here that you can view and manage your appointments. Find the appointment you wish to cancel and click Cancel Appointment. You can also cancel requests from within the AskFirst app by selecting Cancel Request. You will be asked to provide details of the request you would like to cancel and the reason you are cancelling before providing contact information for your practice to reach out to you directly if required. This option is for submitting a request for access to your health record. You will be given options to choose from to specify which records you would like to access. Update your details. Updating your details allows you to easily update your personal details including mobile phone number, landline, email address, and home address, all from within the AskFirst app. The Medication Request tab allows you to request a one-off prescription. Type in the name, strength, and dose of the medication required, and your virtual healthcare assistant will send a request directly to your GP practice. Your practice will then contact you within 5 days on your preferred contact method. Send an appointment request to your practice within minutes of using the AskFirst app. Once the appointment is booked, you will receive a confirmation text with the date and time. The practice may need to contact you to discuss your request. Simply select the type of appointment you require from the list, input any additional information before entering the contact details, and select your preferred method of communication.